Is it giving Ginger from Spice Girls? Is it giving that? What's up, everybody? It's your girl Bomb Nia. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, it's your girl Bomb Nia. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now today I'm back with another headband review. The company that I'm doing a headband wig review on is Beauty Forever. Now this was the company that I did a headband review on the last time, and I loved the wig so much. A lot of people liked it. A lot of people told me that they purchased it from watching my review. So if you get a chance, just click the link up there and go look at my last Beauty Forever headband review. I got this from Amazon. It came in 2 days because I have Amazon Prime. If you got that Prime, you get the luxury of getting it in 2 days. So if you got a party to go to, well, we're in a pandemic. So if you want to take some cute pictures and switch up your look, get Amazon Prime, okay? Let me stop rambling and let's just get into this wig. This wig came with a wig cap, and y'all know how I feel about wig caps. Love when companies send wigs with wig caps because Lord knows I need them. It also came with these 2 headbands for the headband wig. Shout out to Beauty Forever because this is the second headband wig I received from them, and they came with 2 headbands. So now I got 4 headbands in total, so I don't have to really buy no headband. So this is the wig that I received. This is in the color Honey Blonde, and it's an ombre color. This is how it looks. This is 18 inches. And I swear their wigs feel so soft. I really love how soft these wigs are, and they don't have a smell. And this wig was $111. I'm going to fix my natural hair, slick it back, and throw some baby hairs in here, and then we're gonna try on this wig. So I am back, guys, and what I'm gonna do now is just push this wig cap as far as I can push it. You see the baby hairs? The baby hairs is laid, y'all. This wig comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs. These little bands you could snap in the back if you want your wig a little bit more snug. I really like this color, and this is also, I forgot to tell you guys, this is a human hair wig. So if you don't like this color, you can also dye it too. And I'm just gonna put on this headband. This is really cute. It's soft. I'm not receiving any type of shedding or anything like that. I want to actually flat iron it because I want to see how well it takes to the flat iron. And I have my flat iron on 450. So it looks like it took to the flat iron really well. It don't smell burnt or anything like that. This is 150 density. Even though my hair is not this color, it blended really well with my hair, so it actually looks like it's black ombre going down into blonde. So I'm 5'3", so this is the link on me, and it moves because we know we don't do stiff. Right now I'm gonna do a half up, half down, which is totally my favorite. We're gonna see how this come together. this, I swear, Beauty Forever, y'all don't miss. What do you guys think? Like, is it giving Ginger from Spice Girls? Is it giving tell me what you want, which I really, really want, so tell me what you want, what I really, really want? Is that what it's giving? Because that's what I'm feeling like right now. I'm feeling like I'm from the UK. Feeling like I'm in a UK girl group. Let me see how it looks with the whole hair up. So this is how it looks in a full-blown ponytail. Like, even if I wanted to wear it like in a bun. And then when I take it down, then it just goes right back into its natural state. This is the perfect wig for you to, like, if you work, if you're going to the gym, going grocery shopping, you know, just to throw on something real quick. It don't take a long time. This like took, well, because I had to do my baby hairs and like my baby hairs down, I would say it took 10 minutes tops. That is still less time than putting on a frontal or a closure. Like, you're good to go. And even if you didn't want to wear a headband, this is something that you could just put on with a hat. You know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. You don't even really got to do your edges, and you could just go. Now, if you guys want to purchase this wig, I have the link in my description box. And when you do purchase it, tell them Nia sent you. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And most importantly, stay bomb.